Good day, everyone out there. My name is Joseph. I I bring to you a topic that says don't eat okra when you are passing through these issues, this challenge. We are going to talk about okra. Okra is a very good nutritional vegetable. It's a vegetable fruit. We really cherish okra, especially Africa. Okra is a very good nutrition vegetable that helps in warding off cancer. Okra is very, very good in cancer. We are going to talk about this okra, which is the topic today. How okra has been helping us medically that we don't know in a natural way. How okra has been helping us all these days, all this while, and how okra has been damaging our system medically and we don't know. So please, wherever you are and you are watching this video, please subscribe to this channel so that our next video will reach you when we release the next video, because there are things that we need to be sharing as family. There are information medically, naturally that will help us. You know, one thing I do tell people is that if the information that you have, that you know that it will help your brothers and sisters all over there, if you keep it to yourself without letting them know so that it will be useful for them and anything happen to them, there are things that heaven will ask you. We gave you this information, this wisdom, this way to help people. Are you using it? That is why some of us will come out boldly so that we discuss some things that will help us in future, things that will lift us, things that will make us not to be visiting hospital every day, every minute, every week, monthly, and whatever. Before I continue, I would like to start with the way we consume okra and the advantage. Now, listen very well. Listen very well. Okra, some people eat it raw. Some people eat it through soup, by preparing soup or whatever. Now, if you are a cancer patient, listen to me. Whatever type of cancer you have, okra is one of the solution, the first solution to your cancer. And reason why we recommend okra to cancer patients is because okra is very, very good. Like as you said earlier, it's a nutrition vegetable that help in warding off cancer. One, even if you don't have cancer and you started having the symptom, the first thing that you should do is to make sure you consume okra regularly. Then okra help in building bones. It fortifies bones, make your bones to be very strong. That is the work of okra. Then thirdly, those who have sugar problem, diabetes patient, and if you discover your sugar level is increasing, is going up rapidly, please get okra, the vegetable, not the leaf. Get okra, possibly eat it raw, at least 2 pieces a day for a week, and go for test. Check yourself, check that sugar level, check how your body be. Go for test, go and see your doctor and see the result. It's very, very important. Don't overlook this issue. We bring it to you so that it will help you. There are some natural things that will help you more than even the medication. that you are taking. But first of all, we don't advise. We are not advising you that you should not go to hospital. Hospital is very okay, very nice. Yes, if you come, we treat you, we attend to you. But before going to the hospital, there are things that you should be doing that it will help you, so that you will not be going to hospital. What you have, the money that you have, is not meant for hospital. If God blesses you with money or whatever, God bless you to use it to help your children, help yourself, build your future or whatever. It's not by spending it unnecessarily. So that is why you have to pay attention to some natural food, natural things that will help you, that will guide you. And we are going to discuss. As you are watching this video, please subscribe so that our channel, anytime we bring out our video, you will be alerted, you'll be notified, so that you click on it and listen to it, and then refer people to watch this video. Make it go viral. We are speaking from the other side, both physically and spiritually, something that will help us, because keeping this information to myself, to ourselves, it will not help. God gave it to us so that we use it to help others, like those who are passing through, having challenge of diabetes or whatever. There's a way we treat them with okra and some other things naturally, and it will be over. It's not something, we are not boasting, but we know what we can do. It's not about money. It's not about money. Before we talk of money, human being is the most important thing that that God value. So we should not, because of money, and when God give you some things to help your people, and you, because of money, you send them away. Money or no money, we can attend to you, and we can show you things that will help you to treat your diabetes, to treat your cancer, to treat many things. Now, that will be the topic of another day. But today we are talking about okra. We have told you the advantage of okra, eating okra very well, and what you should do when you are eating okra. Okra is good in dealing with cancer. Okra is good in dealing with diabetes, the sugar level. Okra is good. Okra is a manpower. Okra is a booster. It boosts you. It brings your immune system out. It make you to be man. But there are procedures to use it. Then another thing I'll quickly go discuss with us is the issue of how to use okra. Now, I think I've discussed about how we can use okra, the advantage of consuming okra. Now, let's go straight to the disadvantage. Those who should avoid taking or eating or consuming okra. Okra is not made for everybody, even though we said okra is good in treating diabetes, treating cancers, treating whatever, and building fortified bones and other things, and make you a man, or building your immune system. It's not for everybody. If you have the below cases that I'm going to mention now, please stay away from consuming okra. Okra is not made for you. Now, example, if you have a stroke, please stay away from okra, and we are going to follow you. I'm going to tell you why you should stay away from okra. Now, let me quickly go to number one. If number one issue here, if you have kidney stones, if you are somebody that will be passing through or having challenges of kidney stone, or your doctor might have diagnosed you about it, that you should be taking medication for kidney stone or whatever, place you on bed rest or whatever other things, please, even though your doctor says you should eat everything, tell him that you have the feeling and full information that okra is not recommended for you. Okra is not good for you. Okra is very, very good for people, but for those who have kidney stones, okra contains calcium oxalate. It's a common component of these stones. It's not good for you. So don't eat okra when you have kidney stone. You see, there's something I do tell people. if you are eating this okra, it's very, very important. But listen very well. The high oxalate content of okra increase the risk of the illness reoccurrence. Because of this, those who have kidney stones in the past should limit the consumption of okra. Okra is not good for those who have kidney stone. Then another thing, second one again, I'm going to talk about is those who have stroke. If you have stroke, please, okra is not for you. Stay away from consuming okra. Okra is not recommended. Okra is not recommended to anybody taking blood or stroke medication. When you are taking stroke medication, if you are on drugs such as warfarin, eh, please don't consume okra. Don't take okra. Hmm? To consume okra, the effect of consuming okra are the exact opposite. Exact opposite, because why I call it exact opposite is this. Okra has eh, okra have component. There's one thing that you find in okra, and that okra is to make the blood you are taking, the medication you are taking, which we call warfarin medication, that stroke medication. The work of it is to make your blood very light. And making your blood light, it will make your blood to flow through the vein, the artery. The blood will be flowing very well. So those axes, those part of you that is part by suffering this stroke, there will be flow of blood through the vein, that area, so that your blood, your body will be coming up. That is the work of this warfarin medication, which is very important, which is very good for those who are taking who are facing challenges of stroke. But as you are taking it, reason why we advise you not to take okra, listen now. Okra is very good, but why if you have stroke, you should stay from taking okra is that. Stay away from okra is this. The work of okra, if you are taking it, be who you are, is to make your blood very thick. And by making your blood very thick, it will not help you. The stroke, it will worsen the whole situation, because it's because of the clotting of blood, thickness of blood that generate that this stroke emerge from. So if you are taking drugs that will make your blood to be light, to be flowing through your brain, and along the line taking natural foods that will make the blood to be thick, what are you doing? You are hurting yourself. And that is why it's advisable for you to stay away from taking okra if you have a stroke. Then secondly, it's here also apply to those who have cholesterol. If you are having challenges of cholesterol anywhere, please, and if you know anybody, ask the person, tell the person to stay away from consuming okra. Okra is not good. Cholesterol is clotting of blood. So you cannot be taking natural food that will make it to be clothed again. Rather, you take things that will make your blood to be light and very stable. Then finally, let me quickly touch the area that deal with this arthritis. Many people